guys, Captain Seth here. I thought I'd give you a little bit of a look at how I'm doing the deck stripes on Rosie this year. I got a lot of questions when I posted a couple of pictures on Instagram, so I thought I'd just go over it. I don't know if this is the right way or the wrong way, but it is the way that I've chosen to do it, and it seems to be working so far. I'm using this product called the Striper. It's pinstriping automotive tape. I got Rosie stripes are wide through many years of doing this since 1939, and so this is 1/4 inch gap in between rather than an 1/8 inch, but it comes on a roll like this. This is a 160-foot roll. It's got 3 pieces of tape here, the 2 pinstripe tapes and then this clear carrier tape. So it allows you to line it up right on your old stripe so you can see through the clear to be able to do that. And then you peel the release tape, which I'll do right here. So I just applied this over the old stripe. I've got it's a little tough to get the carrier tape off. Kind of make a mess of the end of it by stretching and peeling. And once you do, pinstripe stays behind, and you peel the carrier up. And this is real thin tape, so you don't get that edge that you get with thicker traditional masking tape. And it seems to hold real tight. So here's the carrier tape coming up. And you see what I'm left with. There are 2 crisp lines on either side of my existing deck stripe. And so I am ready now to apply striping paint and then peel up the stripes, and we're good to go. Thanks.
Stop.
Hi guys, Captain Seth here. We're all ready to paint the deck stripes on Rosie. We've got 6 coats of varnish on there. We've got the seams taped off, and we're ready to start applying the striping paint. Stay tuned, here we go.